Hey guys, welcome to my Cravings channel where taste buds trigger. I'm your Pragna JH and today we're gonna make something special. I know it's lockdown and many houses says no to non-veg, so this is a good alternative for them and even for fitness freaks. I'm gonna use soya ball or soya chunks to make today's recipe. Let's see how do we do it. Come with me. So for the first step, we're going to add half cup of soya chunks or soya balls. For the next step, we're going to pour hot water. Let's soak the soya balls for around 30 to 40 minutes. So now as we have soaked it for around 30 to 40 minutes, let's squeeze it. And we're going to chop it into half. So now you're going to add 3 tablespoons of maida, the next spoon and the next spoon. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, the next spoon. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to squeeze 1/4 lemon juice. Let's mix everything together. Let's add in some water as we stir. Let's chop onions in medium sized. Now let's cut half a capsicum into medium sized. The oil is heated, so let's deep fry the soya balls. So let's heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons oil. For that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic. Now add onions. Let's saute it. For this we're going to add capsicum. Now let's saute it. Let's wait till the onion gets golden brown color. For this we're going to add half teaspoon of chili sauce. Now we're going to add half teaspoon of soya sauce. Now let's add half teaspoon of tomato ketchup. You can smell a good aroma. For this we're gonna add soya balls. Give it a good mix. So the soya ball Manchurian is ready to be served. Thanks for watching my videos. So like, share, comment and subscribe.